Hi there. Hi, sorry to bother you. My name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait street photographer.
Okay.
I go around taking pictures of portraits of people to show the diversity and the beauty of humanity. And I think you got an amazing look. Okay. I was wondering if I could take your portrait very quickly.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. You're very, very kind. What's your name?
Francis.
Francis. Amazing. Oh yeah, this side's even better. I'm just gonna come in for a portrait. Amazing, Francis. Did you use the model? Are you here for the climate change?
Yeah.
It's a big turnout, isn't it? It's the biggest one I've seen.
Yeah, well, this is the second one I've been to. It's big.
Yes, the second one I went to the one